I have no idea. But it seems like it's coming out of the water and he's holding like a piece of paper. I mean, I don't know, it might have some political meaning or I don't know. Seems like he's drowning, maybe. Hey, we can go down from here? No? Can we? Yes. We can go down from here. Let's go. I don't think we came from here before. Yeah, so this part is new for us right now. You can actually, like, if you take your time to... There's something on the floor. Look, what's that? It's... You see? A bird. It's a frog. No, what the hell is that?
Bird.
It's a bird.
Get bird.
What should we do? Can we do something? Hey.
Take it home.
Yeah, take it home and cook it.
Here.
Just be aware of the fact that it might just suddenly fly towards our face.
Oh, too hot here. Can we take it outside?
Well, we don't even know what it has. I mean,
Bird.
it seems heavily diseased. Like, look, no, just don't touch anything. We can't really. I mean, we don't really know how to help this bird.
It's too hot.
Yeah, I'm sure it's too hot, but that's not gonna save his life. Just taking it out.
Yes, we can. Go.
There are stairs. How is he gonna climb up the stairs? He's scared. We're scaring him. Wait, maybe we should just leave him alone. I mean, he got stuck. There is a spider coming near your foot. It's actually just a baby bird, actually.
I want to see it.
Look, I wouldn't touch it. I mean, I am sorry for the bird, but whatever disease that bird has. No, hey, please don't touch the bird. Please don't touch the bird. Yeah, I believe so.
Here is too hot.
But it's not just that, he's diseased. Did you see its body? Like, his whole body's fucked up.
It's just taking the board, you know?
No, it's not gonna stay on the board. It's gonna move around. It's gonna fall off and it's gonna touch us. I don't want to get any disease. Look, I don't want to touch anything.
Oh my god! I need help!
There's nothing we can do for it. Let's leave it. I mean, I know it's sad, but we are not veterinarians.
You can feel here,
No hair, I can feel. Let's just get out of here, okay? I mean, let's just carry on. Wait. Just forget about the bird for a second. Let's just see here. Hey, let's go see these rooms.
I saw the door open.
You saw what?
I saw the door
Careful, cockroach.
open.
Right. Let's go. No, don't touch. You're like those little kids that want to touch everything. I know, but everything's dirty. Let's see this way. See this? Look. This glass here, right? This is one of those that, like, I think it's something like you record in one room maybe, and I mean, I don't know. There's like a double glass into another room. I don't know. Careful, 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 careful. Let's go here. See? Just let's not step on the dying bird now. I don't know where it went. I think it's over there. Is it? It doesn't even have the strength to move away anymore. It's just gonna die here. It looks like a, like a baby bird. I mean, it doesn't look like, I mean, I'm not an expert, but I would say this is not an adult bird. Hey, let's keep going. Careful your eyes here. Alright, let's get out then. Let's go. There are no graffitis here. People don't even come here. Right. Alright, let's go near fresh air. Cantonese dubbing artistes. Green room, they even misspelled artists. Careful your eyes, careful your eyes. No. Careful. Look at this stuff. Really old. We should like call all of those numbers and see who replies to us. This way. This part is just like a maze, like it's just doors and rooms and corridors. The what? Yeah, so. Shh. Birds. Ah, look, the bike. This is the bike I saw last time. I think we are close to that room where I saw strange stuff. We can go down here. Should take what? That bird is gonna die anyway, unfortunately. I think this is the room where I saw. Yeah, I think this. Yes, look, this is the room. This is the room where I saw weird shit. Look, there are candles here, right? You see candles? Last time I was here. I saw like, look, there's a table with a chair, and there is a cockroach. Last time I was here, I saw some, like some candles in a circle. I have a photo of that. Yeah. But you know, people that come here to put candles in circles and stuff, it's not very normal, right? So that's really creepy. Okay, I guess we should take our chance to go down since we found those stairs, shall we? All right. It's just like broken rooms here. Yeah, let's take the chance to go down. Get some fresh air. This way, right? So we've been here almost this way, this way. Careful what you step on. Yeah. We can still exit. We should be on the second floor now, right?
Yes.
Look at that. What's that?
Food.
Food?
Yes.
All right, yes. Restaurant, Hoi King restaurant. Give me a dig. Shh. Right. We haven't been here, right? Have we? No, we haven't. I think we... Yeah, I think we've been here in the beginning.
Yes.
So let's just make our way out then. I think we've seen most of it. That's good. Yeah. Actually, no, it wasn't this one because the door I opened, there were two. Well, I would say that this mission was a success, right?
Yes.
I mean, we managed to explore pretty much all of it. Maybe not all of it, but like 85%.
Yeah, 81.
Yeah, and we didn't run into any problems so far. Just a poor dying bird, but hey, look. Yeah. Whoa, Batman is here. Okay, that scared the crap out of us.
The Batman didn't scare me. You scared
Yeah, I scared. Well, because whenever I see something moving fast and I don't know what it is, I'm like a cat. My first reaction is to jump away, and then I look at it and I go like, oh, it's a bat. But first I freak out.